You earn $90,000 a year. That sounds comfortable. So why does saving $500 feel difficult? Not impossible, just difficult. Let's look at a normal situation. You live in a decent apartment, nothing luxurious. Rent is $2,000 a month. After taxes, your take-home pay is about $5,200. That feels solid. Then life starts subtracting. Car payment, $550. Insurance, $200. Utilities and internet, $300. Groceries, $600. Health insurance, $400. Student loans, $400. Subscriptions and phone, $200. Now pause. You're left with around $550. On paper, that should become savings, but it rarely does. A dinner here, a weekend trip there, a few online purchases, a birthday gift, an upgraded phone. Nothing extreme, just normal life. And suddenly, the $500 is gone. This is the $500 habit. It doesn't look dangerous, that's why it works. $500 a month is $6,000 a year. Invested at 7% for 20 years, it becomes around $250,000. That's not hype, that's math. So why do people spend it? Because it feels optional. Rent feels mandatory. Car payments feel mandatory. The last $500 feels flexible. Flexible money becomes emotional money. You worked hard. You deserve comfort. And slowly, comfort expands. A nicer car, a better neighborhood, more expensive dinners, small upgrades everywhere. Income rises, lifestyle quietly rises with it. This is lifestyle inflation. It doesn't feel reckless, it feels normal. And that's the trap. You're not broke, you're just stuck. 10 years pass, you earned well, but built little. Your income supported your lifestyle, it didn't build ownership. Now compare two people. Both earn $90,000. One spends the last $500, the other invests it automatically. They live similar lives today, but in 20 years, one has assets, the other has memories and payments. Ownership creates stability. Consumption creates comfort. Comfort feels good now. Ownership protects later. The $500 doesn't look powerful, but over time, it decides everything. If you earn well but feel average, look at what happens to the last $500. That's usually where the story is hiding. If this helped you see your income differently, subscribe for more calm, rational conversations about money.